Welcome to the new NAEE website. In this video, I want to show you how to update your profile and also how to subscribe to NAEE chat. So in the upper right, if you click this icon, you can log in to your site or to the NAEE site using your login information. Once you log into the NAEE site, you'll see more availability of links that weren't there before you logged in. To change your profile, click on that icon again now that you're logged in and click View Profile. You'll see a lot of options in this menu. You can see your profile that's right here and all of your information. You can click Edit Profile if you need to make changes. You can also see information on privacy, email, photo albums, event registrations, and any invoices and payments you've made to NAEE. So Edit Profile is where you'd go to make any changes to your profile. Anything that is in here you can type and change if we have any incorrect information. You can upload a picture, which is called an avatar on this website, with a link, and upload a headshot of you. You can change which groups you're a part of, and that would be about it. And you can hit save when you're done with that. Now to see NAEE chat, you go to forums and choose NAEE chat. This NAEE chat has 4 posts on it so far, 4 topics. To create a new topic, you just create topic. That would be like writing an email in NAEE chat. Now, people won't see it unless they navigate to this specific part of the site, but some people would rather get it pushed to them via email like they used to. So if you click subscribe to forum when you're logged in, that would subscribe you, and then anytime that there's an update, somebody posts something into NAEE chat, you would get an email digest sent to you, which then you could explore and click on anything that you wanted to directly from that email, and it would take you to the website, so you could view or reply to any of the things posted on NAEE chat. Hope this video helps. Please reach out if you need any more help on anything else with navigating the website.